In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show custom objects in the Zendesk Guide Help Center. Whether you're dealing with a dynamic customer base or managing multifaceted products, utilizing custom objects can significantly enhance your user experience by allowing flexibility to define data structures that fit your specific needs. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set up your custom objects directly within the Zendesk environment. First, you'll want to start off by accessing your Zendesk platform. Navigate over to the Admin Center, which acts as the central hub where most customizations and settings adjustments are managed. Getting familiar with the Admin Center is crucial, as it's where you'll control all your custom object settings. Once you're in the Admin Center, the next step is to find the Objects and Rules section. This is your gateway to managing how data is structured and how it interacts within your Zendesk Help Center. It's important to take a moment to understand that within Objects and Rules, you can dictate how your data connections are organized, which in turn can offer you more control over your customer data and operational processes. After you've located this section, it's time to delve deeper by clicking on Objects. This step is particularly significant as it is where you'll create and manage your custom objects. Here you can define your objects by setting the following parameters: display name, plural display name, object key, description, and record icon. The display name is how your object will be identified in the interface, so consider using a succinct yet descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the object. The plural display name is similarly important as it will affect how Zendesk refers to multiple records of this object. Object key is a system identifier, so make sure it is unique and aligns with your existing naming conventions. Adding a description will help you and your team remember the purpose of the object, and it's worth taking the time to make this as clear and informative as possible. Lastly, the record icon is a customization element that lets you visually represent the objects, adding an extra layer of usability by allowing quick identification. Once all these fields are filled out satisfactorily, proceed to create your object by clicking the Create Object button. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully created and displayed custom objects within your Zendesk Help Center. Remember, properly setting up custom objects not only helps in better data management and tracking, but also enriches your customer support capabilities, making your Zendesk Guide Help Center more intuitive and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further guidance.